And for me, I love that this is not something that is how good you are in your class and do you get a grade. You're competing against students across the country. Um,
Yeah.
you really are competing at a higher level with a much broader pool that you're going up against.
I've always been a good student because I'm really good at taking standardized tests. Like, I can do exactly what you tell me to get a good grade without learning anything. What I love about NCL is that I have to actually know things. I have to actually apply them. I think my quote has been floating around that in the lab environment in classrooms, everything is set up with the perfect commands in the perfect environment for the perfect result. In the real world, nothing is perfect. And in NCL, you're going to run into things where it's like, oh, I thought I ran the right command and I'm not getting the right answer. I have to go back and reevaluate and try again. Um, so just that whole perspective of like, it's not perfect and it's not supposed to be. The world isn't that way.
Mhm.